Today I will guide you how to use the speech-to-text recognition package in the Flutter. It is very handy package when you use in developing, and it is very useful. First of all, you need to configure the package permissions in the iOS and Android. In iOS, you can add the key to the info.list file, and also in the Android, you can add these permissions in the Android manifest file, and these permissions, and you can add these queries to the Android manifest file. After that, you can install the package version in the Android in the Flutter Forex YAML file. After that, get the run Flutter update. And also after that, I will briefly describe you how to use this package. First of all, you need to initialize package, and in here you should I build the speech recognition text recognition class to easily use it in area. First of all, you need to initialize the package, and in here I use where to recognize it is enabled or disabled. So it is does not support in all the Android versions. In here you can see speech recognition availability is true. After that, I will use this start listening function to get the recognized text. In here you can see the speech text listen function. Listen mode, I use dictation. It has several listen mode: device default, dictation, search, and confirmation. When we use repetitive certain number of words like we speak, so we use dictation mode. It will be easily recognized in the speech to text package. And also I use duration 10 seconds to identify text. In here you can see I use when the app is listening, you should manually want to stop, or it will automatically stop after 10 seconds. Let's try a demo. First of all, if you use Android emulator, go to the microphone and allow these options. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Flutter Tutorial for Beginners. In here you can see the speech text recognition works very fine. When we move on to the functions, when the on press button is pressed, we go to the speech recognition start listening function. In here we use callback with the speech recognition result. In here you can see recognized words are print to the console and also for the screen like this. If you have any questions, please comment in the video. Like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for future tutorials. Thank you.